So now mukbang yung say. So this is the mukbang. This is 3 eggs. We have added 4 bucket of 3 eggs. Let's see whether we can finish this one up. Yay. So this is the preparation for mukbang. My 2 little sister will go for mukbang test today. Guys, let's see. Everyone is doing mukbang, so they want to try out the mukbang. These are the things, and here are the pickups. So we'll start in a few minutes. Okay, bye. Right, guys, these are the 2 mukbang challengers. Let's see whether the white one will win or the black one will win. Let's see. So start. Hello. We'll see. The white one will be stronger or the black one will be stronger. We'll decide. No retreat, no surrender. Let's start it. Whoa! The black one is very strong. The way she is. And the white one is a little scary. Mikey is not.
Work.
Whoa.
Oh, strong.
It started burning, I guess. And here are the 2 little mukbang partners running away. They even tried, but they cannot. They are looking for sugar or something else. Carrot, I'll catch you up in the middle again as they enjoy the mukbang.
Oh, sorry.
3 eggs is not a children play. I'm also eating at the background. Guys, this is interesting. Wow! See the sound. I have to finish this. Only I'm giving up. I have to finish this by any means. The background. Literally, I'm crying, guys. They are still holding theirs. The black one is very strong. Now you can see the real face. The real face is coming up now. See, guys, almost finished.
vẫn là nó xoay rồi.
Okay, I will end the video here, but they will finish it on. Okay, guys. See you next time with the next mukbang. Thank you. Trying out mukbang, but fail. fail. See. Meet you on the next mukbang.
Bye bye.
Today fail mukbang.